Hello everyone, now we are in part 3, chapter 3, A Day with Nandu, and it is a textbook of EVS, class 3rd. In the previous two chapters, we have studied a lot, and in this chapter, we are going to talk about elephant and elephant herd. In previous two videos, we have completed the chapter till page number 23, and now we have to discuss the gist of the lesson that is in yellow box, and I have explained it in the previous video. Now we have to do some exercise work. If you can see here, you can write down, if you were Nandu and you lived in a herd, what kind of things would you do? आप क्या क्या करना पसंद करोगे जब आप हर्ड में रहोगे? सपोज कीजिए कि आप नंदू ही हो, आप उसी फैमिली मेंबर की तरह हो जैसे कि नंदू है, एग्जैक्टली आपको नंदू की तरह फील करना है. देन यू विल फील दैट यू आर वेरी ब्लेस्ड. आप ब्लेस्ड हो. क्यों? क्योंकि यू आर सराउंडेड विद मैनी elephants and they are taking care of you. The same idea you will get when you are in the herd. The next question, in elephant herd, the oldest elephant decides everything. Who takes decision in your family? You have to tell which member of the family will take the decision. Your father, mother, grandfather, grandmother. Who will take the responsibility to take decisions? You have to answer here. Now this is the main question that we are going to discuss now. Make a collage of herd of elephants in your notebook. For this collage, collect as many pictures of elephants that you can. Cut out the elephants and stick them in your notebook. That can be made by using different kinds of pictures of elephants, by joining them, by sticking them in your notebook. And the first portion, making a collage. You can make the collage like this. Some beautiful collage are here. You can see. Collage can be made by some papers and they are stick on the other paper. How beautiful it is looking. You can make by simple waste papers. These are the arts of some students that I have collected. You can see it is really a good collection of collage. You can make and hang on the walls of your home also. Try to do this collage making of elephant. Next question is, Nandu did things that he liked to do. Okay, if you could spend a whole day with your friends, what all would you like to do? आप क्या करोगे जब आपको भी नंदू की तरह एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाए? लाइक नंदू is playing there, is wandering here and there. It seems to be in the legs of other elephants. What you want to do? You have to describe it here. The next question, find out and write which animals are live in herds. You have to find out which animals are there which are living in the herd and what purpose they are living in a herd. Living in a herd, living in a group is very purposeful. Unity is strength, and it can give an opportunity to connect socially with the same kind of elephants, same kind of एनिमल्स. अगर आप ग्रुप में रहोगे तो आप सोशली लिंक हो जाओगे. अगर आप ग्रुप में रहोगे तो आपकी यूनिटी होगी, स्ट्रेंथ होगी. अगर आप ग्रुप में रहोगे तो आप में करेज रहेगा, और आपके सामने जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे वो सब कुछ प्रॉब्लम आपके ग्रुप में रहने से धीरे धीरे वैनिश होती जाएंगी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डू यू ऑल्सो लिव इन ए ग्रुप? हाँ, हम भी ग्रुप में रहते हैं. फैमिली इज ए ग्रुप. Our society is a group. Our street is a group. Our family members live in a group. डू यू लाइक टू लिव टुगेदर लाइक दैट? क्या आपको भी इनकी तरह पसंद है ग्रुप में रहना? वाई वुड यू लाइक और नॉट लाइक टू लिव इन अ ग्रुप? अगर आपको ग्रुप में रहना पसंद है तो यहाँ लिखिए, अगर ग्रुप में रहना पसंद नहीं है तो यहाँ लिखिए। इन माई ओपिनियन यू कैन से वी वॉन्ट टू लिव इन ए ग्रुप बिकॉज while we are in group we can solve many problems. While we are in group we have plenty of opportunities. While we are in group we are socially connected with the others. These points you can take. While you are not in group you can say we are independent. There are plenty of things that we can raise from both the ends. Now how do elephants feel when they kept in chains? Discuss and share your feelings. Why these elephants and other wild animals are kept in chain? Why these kind of torture is given to the innocent animal that cannot speak? Why we are suffering the animals like this? It is really a critical issue for every citizen of India. Why we are capturing the elephants, other animals in the chain? बच्चों, ये बड़ा दर्दनाक होता है कि एक ऐसा मासूम जानवर जो बोल नहीं सकता, अपने विचारों को बता नहीं सकता और उसको ऐसे बांध दिया जाता है. इट इज़ वेरी पेनफुल फॉर सम ग्रीडी पीपल. वी आर सफरिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ मेंटेलिटी. कुछ लोगों को शौक़ होता है हाथी पालने का और उनको ऐसे रखने का, उनको टॉर्चर करने का या फिर एंटरटेनमेंट करने का. दैट काइंड ऑफ पीपल वी डोंट थिंक दैट आर गुड, बट वी शुड not torture any animal with our greed, with our any purpose. As the question asked, discuss and share the feelings. The feelings are really painful. They do not want to be in chains. Next, have you ever taken a ride of an elephant? How does it feel? How did it feel? कैसा लगता है अगर आपने एलिफेंट की राइड ली? यू कैन शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस. विच एनिमल्स हैव यू सेट ऑन? कौन कौन से एनिमल्स पर आप कभी बैठे हो? इफ़ यू सेट ऑन ए हॉर्स, ऑन अ कैमल राइड, on a bullock cart, you just share your experiences. Next, you must have seen many animals around you in books, in movies. Some may be alone, some may be in groups. Find out more about any one of these animals and write about it. If you want to write any or share any animal that you have closely watched, then you can share your experiences here. The very important question, why this egret इज शिटिंग ऑन द बफेलो? ये यहाँ पर क्यों बैठा है? ये एग्रेट जो है ये यहाँ क्यों बैठा है? क्योंकि ये इसके यहाँ पर ना पीठ पर कुछ इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं, उसको ये खाने के लिए यहाँ बैठा है. सो आई होप यू गेट द आंसर ऑफ दैट. जो एग्रेट है बफेलो के टॉप पे बैठता है ताकि ये कीड़े मकोड़े यहाँ से खा सकता है. हैव यू सीन एनी एनिमल राइडिंग ऑन अनदर एनिमल? क्या आपने कभी देखा है कि कोई एक एनिमल के ऊपर कोई दूसरा एनिमल बैठ के राइड कर रहा है? कौन कौन से ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं जो राइड कराते हैं? विच एनिमल डू वी यूज़ फॉर राइडिंग? विच एनिमल्स डू वी यूज़ फॉर कैरिंग लोड्स? These two questions you should do. These two. Next, make your own elephant, the activity that we have done. So the chapter is being completed, and in this chapter we have discussed about the main animal, the elephant, the lovely elephant, the innocent elephant, the powerful elephant, and we have seen various features of this elephant. So you just review the chapter, revise the chapter. Thank you very much.